Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your ANCwear smartwatch with the DA Fit app on your phone. So to do this, on your Android phone, open PlayStore. Type DA Fit in the search box, then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Select your gender, birthday, height and weight. Then tap on the correct sign. Allow the app to send you notifications. Next, allow the app to access photos and videos. Next, tap on the watch icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Add a device. Now allow the app to access your device's location. Then allow the app to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Your watch will appear in the list. In my case, it's ANC207. Tap on it to start pairing. All done. My watch is now connected to the app. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.